Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a tiny die-cast Majorette. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, Majorette Street Cars Lamborghini Aventador. Aventador is a supercar from Lamborghini and this is the 2014 model. This is a 3 plus product. It comes with an MRP of Rs 199. It's manufactured by Majorette and officially licensed. So let's unbox this right now. We have unboxed it and here it is, the die-cast 1:64 scale model of Lamborghini Aventador. Made by Majorette, this looks amazing. Just look at the detailing of the exterior, the paint job, the tire and the alloys, the black sticker, the grille, the tail lights. Look at the badging of Lamborghini, as well as the logo in the front side. Wow! Also, the headlights look awesome. Guys, just look at the detailing of the interior. It's well detailed as well as painted in red color. The left hand drive steering, the seats, the dashboard, and look at the engine bay. Wow! This die-cast car comes with insane suspension. Just look at it. The tires going inside. Like, wow, the rear suspension is so powerful. This is an officially licensed product made by Majorette in Thailand, Lamborghini Aventador in 1:64 scale. If you like my video, please click on the like button and share my video to at least your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.